In this video, I'll show you how to send money with Lulu Money. First, open the app, check the exchange rates, and tap Send to Bank Account. Then choose an existing recipient or create a new one by tapping New Recipient. Enter the amount you want to send, and you'll see the equivalent your recipient will receive along with the conversion rate. If everything looks correct, tap Send Now. Next, choose your payment method, how you fund the transfer, and delivery method, how the recipient receives it. For example, select Online Bank Transfer, choose your bank, specify your account type, and enter your account details. You can optionally save it as your preferred bank, then tap Proceed. Review the transfer details, select the purpose, for example, salary or savings, and agree to Lulu Money's terms and privacy policy. Tap Pay, enter your Lulu Money PIN, and verify your phone with the OTP sent to you. Check the details one final time and tap Confirm Payment. Your bank may also require an OTP to complete the transaction. Once all steps are done, your money will be sent to the recipient.